Ayan, hello everyone. Welcome back to my vlog. And kanina nakita natin si Ate Joanna nag-vlog kanina sa ating start bench cut. Ngayon naman, another birthday celebrant ni Ruth ang mag-vlog ngayon. Siya nga si Kai. Hello Kai. And kung saan, kamusta ka na Kai?
Okay naman po.
Okay, ready ka na for our game? Ready? Okay, so here's your first category. Favorite Filipino cuisine. Your choices are sinigang baboy, adobo, caldereta. Start bench cut, go.
Start, adobo, bench, sinigang, tapos last ko yung caldereta.
Ayaw mo talaga caldereta. Okay, very good. Next category. Favorite Disney movie of all time. Your choices are Frozen, Snow White, Tangled. Start bench cut, go.
Start, bench, Snow White, tapos last ko yung Frozen.
Ayaw mo na Frozen, ba't pinili mo yun?
Pero mas gusto ko po yung iba.
Okay. Next, Filipino street food. Your choices are fishball, ice scramble, and balot. Start bench cut, go.
Start, fishball, bench, scramble, cut, balot.
Ayun, talaga ng balot. Okay, ito. Favorite female singer. Taylor Swift, Ariana Grande, Carly Rae Jepsen. Start bench cut, go.
Start, Ariana Grande, bench, Taylor Swift, tapos last ko. Ulit po, hindi ko
Si Carly Rae Jepsen. Okay, so very good. Okay, sige. Next, favorite fast food center. Jollibee, McDonald's, KFC. Ready, start bench cut, go.
Start, McDo, bench, Jollibee, cut,
Ayaw mo talaga ng KFC. Ito, since fan ka ng Nickelodeon, I wanna ask you, which one is your favorite TV shows ng Nickelodeon? So your choices are SpongeBob, Loud House, Fairly Odd Parents. Start bench cut, go.
Start, SpongeBob, bench, Loud House, cut, Fairly Odd Parents.
Okay, cut yun. Then, his favorite mo si SpongeBob, so yeah, ano yung paborito ng SpongeBob characters? Your choices are si SpongeBob, Patrick, Squidward. Start bench cut, go.
Start, SpongeBob, bench, Patrick, cut, Squid.
Okay. Ay, ito. Naglaro ka ba ng video games?
Hindi po masyado.
Hindi mo masyado. Pero ano ba yung paborito mong video games sa buhay mo ngayon? Your choices are Blockbusters, Mobile Legends, Call of Duty. Ready? Start bench cut, go.
Start, bench, Call of Duty, tapos cut, Blockbuster.
Di ba nilaro mo?
Hindi po.
Yung ano yung parang ano yung parang
Black Blast.
Black Blast ba yun?
Opo.
Sorry. Kamali lang ako, sorry. Okay, so ayan, this will be the very important start bench na kasi we're celebrating our 50th anniversary sa CPM Bible Share Squad. Ang tanong ko sa'yo, sino sa mga members namin na CPM Bible Share Squad fan ang pinaka-favorite mo? Your choices are Kuya Simon, Ate Elvin, and Ate Mariah. Start, bench, cut, go.
Start, Kuya Simon, bench, Ate Eileen,
Ate Elvin.
cut, Ate Mariah. Pero tayo
Tayo, okay.
kung pamipiliin lang po.
Ayan, nagawa na ni Kai ang ating vlog and congratulations Kai on your birthday month talaga. So, always remember guys, we care.
We share.
You're the ones like you had.
Mabuhay ang puto.
At don't forget to like our social media fan page sa CPM Bible Share Squad and soon sa TikTok at sa YouTube. So, kita-kits soon.